Tesha Miller trial set for October 28, 2019.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
The reputed leader of the Klansman gang, Tesha Miller, who has been implicated in the 2008 murder of former Jamaica Urban Transit Company chairman Douglas Chambers, was remanded in custody when he appeared in court and will go on trial on the 28th of October. The trial for the St. Catherine welder, who has been in custody since last October on a charge of accessory to murder before and after the fact, has been set for 7 days in the Home Circuit Court in Downtown Kingston. The trial date was scheduled when Miller returned to court for a plea and case management hearing before Chief Justice Brian Sykes on Wednesday, April 24th. During the hearing, the judge also ordered that 6 cell phones and a tablet that were seized from the accused during his arrest be returned to him through his attorneys by May the 10th. According to allegations, Miller gave another alleged member of the gang permission to shoot Chambers in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. It is alleged that they were displeased that the JUTC chairman was giving extortion money to another gang in the old capital. Miller is being represented by attorney Bert Samuels, his daughter Bianca, and attorney Isat Buchanan.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.